They're like this,
gorillas.
I saw some gorillas. They are like
Yeah,
this,
yeah,
bro.
yeah, yeah.
Some gorillas are like this, gorilla, gorilla. Bro, that shit stop.
Good.
You see gorilla like this, gorilla,
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
gorilla, gorilla. Let's do this. Gorilla, gorilla, gorilla.
Very nice. Mr. Valentine.
Mr. Valentine, bro.
We are here with Mr. Valentine. I'm here to interview him.
All right, bro.
Okay, good. You said you are a celebrity in this country. Is that true?
I'm a celebrity, bro. Mr. Valentine, everyone knows me. I don't know how you don't know me, bro.
It's a very big problem, but this time I told you that I know you. This time, right?
You don't know me. You just met me, bro. You just met me. I have, but you don't know me, bro.
Okay, Mr. Valentine, why do you think you are a celebrity in this Kigali?
Okay, I don't think I'm a celebrity because that is how they shot there, bro. I've been hustling out there. Every people I pass out, they're gonna see who's this guy. Look my drip, bro. Bro, who knew, bro? Who knew?
Hey,
oh, bro.
You are a very big fan of Arsenal.
Yeah,
right?
Bro. Yeah, bro. This is my brand, bro.
You said that you are a celebrity, how you look, how you wear. Yeah? But I see it is Arsenal.
Yeah, bro, that's my drip. Every time you're gonna see, I go wear this shit, bro. I don't remove this shit, bro. Like, that's how I am.
Very good, very good. Bro. Arsenal, previous days, it's losses. What?
Okay, the Premier League, we lost, bro. We leave, bro. We coming back better for the next time, bro. We ain't gonna see for what's happening, bro. You can go down tomorrow, but tomorrow up, you go up, nigga. So whatever you do in this life, never give up on what you're doing.
Yeah. According to your accent,
yo, bro.
Which country do you come from?
Bro, I'm not from here, bro. I'm from England, bro.
Hey, England?
Yeah, I'm from England.
Sure.
I just came for the vacation out here, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro?
This time I am with someone who from England.
England, bro. You ain't my accent, bro. From England, bro. Tough, bro.
Sure.
Tough, bro. All right.
This time.
All right. I
will go everywhere.
Let's do something, bro. Okay, we're turning the thing. So my name is Mr. Valentine. I'm gonna give this guy a challenge.
Yeah.
I have a song that is called Ho Nyo, bro.
Ho Nyo,
Are you ready to dance?
I can.
Are you ready to dance?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you a dance, bro.
Yeah,
are you ready?
I'm ready. Very ready.
We put the mic down. I don't know.
It's okay. Put down.
All right. No, put it down. Let's learn to dance.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna start like this. Ale, who. Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
Oh my God, this guy can't dance. Like it's like no, wait. It's
okay,
1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Oh my God, bro.
Bro, I'm not dancer. I can try.
Okay, do like. Bro, this guy can't dance, bro. You can't dance, bro.
I can try. I'm not dancer, but
okay,
I can try.
Let me dance for you. Ali 5, 6. Ali who, new. Ali who, yeah, who. You see, bro?
What about this new?
No. It's just a dance. No,
it's just a dance.
Yeah, it's that dance, bro.
Sure.
Yeah, bro.
Are you dancing?
Yeah, bro.
I can't believe you.
You can't believe your bro. You
Who
can't
knew?
believe. No, it's like who knew. Yeah, bro.
Change it, bro.
That we do, bro.
You are lying.
I ain't lying, bro. I ain't lying, bro. That's I am, bro.
What does that mean?
So,
Who knew? It's your song.
Yeah, I have a track called Honyo. So basically, Honyo is like, you see where you are right here?
Yeah.
Do you remember where you came from, bro?
Yes.
Do you remember how they used to treat you?
Yeah.
Do you remember how people are saying you ain't gonna make it in life?
Yeah, everything. I remember.
When you meet them, when you see them, you have to tell them, Honyo, bro. Honyo don't get him,
yeah.
bro. Honyo.
Sure.
You get that shit, bro?
Song produced by someone from this country?
Yeah, it's my song. I produced it by IB, bro. You know IB? IB. Ushakala, but I don't have time. Twaganiriye peace of mind. Yeah, the producer of that beat, IB, he's done who did my song, bro.
Great. This time I am with someone from England. Who?
Mr. Valentine from England, bro.
And he is artist
and no, I'm a streamer, bro. I'm an artist, bro. I'm a streamer, bro.
Okay, streamer.
Yeah, I'm a streamer.
Very good. Mr. Valentine,
Yes, sir, bro.
you said you came from England,
Yes,
right?
sir, England.
Why are you here in this country?
So as I'm saying, I'm like streamer. I'm here for the vacation and everything. Like I've been spending my money in England. That was like I gotta come back home, bro, and see what's going on this series. So that's why I'm here to enjoy and see the life, bro. La vie de l'artiste, bro.
Good. What do you love from this country? What do you like in this country? This Kigali.
Franchement parlant, ce que j'ai aimé dans ce pays, c'est à portée de tout. Ça, tu vois à côté, tu vois le ticket ici, c'est trop carré. Tu vois les planètes, tu vois la terre, tu vois tout, tu vois les arbres, tu vois des habits que les gens portent. Tu te demandes ce pays, c'est la forme.
Oui, okay. Compare England. Maybe which state?
Manchester City, bro. I'm from Arsenal, bro.
Good.
Arsenal City.
Okay, I want you to compare a life and leisure from here to England.
So definitely England, right? Like you see the England, like it's a big country, right?
Yeah.
But then Rwanda, like it's
More.
it's developing, like the speed is growing, like at the top level. Like you see, the country is the cleanest country in Africa, bro. I can say, but I can say it's the far cleanest city in Africa. So I ain't gonna lie. This country is really evolving. That shit happening here. We're proud of the president and what he doing, bro. And definitely, I don't know if I'm living in this country and there is beautiful ladies, bro. Who you, bro?
Sure.
You.
Okay, that is good.
Yes,
That
sir,
is very
bro.
good to hear someone from England, Valentine, saying about our country. What is which are good in this country and
Sir, bro.
compared to them and okay, that is very nice.
Bet.
Okay, there is visit one. You know visit
Yeah, I
one?
don't visit Rwanda, bro.
Okay. Talk about visit one in a few words.
Visit
What
Rwanda.
do you know about visit Rwanda?
What I know about visit Rwanda?
Yeah.
Bro, can you read? Can you read here?
Yeah, that's why I
No,
say
can
that.
you read here?
Yeah, visit Rwanda.
Okay,
Show them.
that's the answer, bro. Visit
Yeah,
Rwanda.
visit Rwanda.
Bro, visit Rwanda, bro. You know what I will do, bro. Visit Rwanda.
Yeah,
I ain't
visit
gonna
Rwanda.
say anything.
Hey.
They just have to follow the words.
Okay, the words. Okay, that's why I'm asking you
No,
that.
it's over.
It's over.
Visit Rwanda.
Uh-huh.
You just have to follow this code. You visit Rwanda, you're gonna see what happened in our
Okay,
city, bro.
tell people from England.
My people from England, this is Mr. Valentin out here in Rwanda. I'm glad to meet this young man doing big thing in this Rwanda. Hopefully you're gonna pull out in this country. You ain't gonna miss anything. There is some gorillas there like this.
Gorillas.
I saw some gorillas there like
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Some gorillas are like this. Gorilla. Gorilla. Bro,
Gorilla.
that shit stop. You see gorilla like this. Gorilla.
Yeah. Sure.
Gorilla. Gorilla. Let's do this. Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla.
Very nice with Mr. Valentine.
Bro, you stop,
Mr.
bro.
Valentine. This is a very good time to meet with you.
Yeah, it was a play. It was a play.
You are new, my friend, if you don't mind.
Yeah, it's okay, bro.
Okay, my name is Desire.
Zaire.
But in this
Industry.
I'm Junior McKenna.
Junior McKenna. It was a
Repeat once
pleasure.
again.
Junior McKenna, bro.
That is my name, this industry.
All right. So let me close. Are we done? Because I got something, right? So guys, don't miss this interview. It was the best interview I just did. My first interview in Kigali. Not believing this shit, bro. But we made it, bro. We made it. Say it.
We married.
Not believing this shit, bro.
We now believe in this shit, bro.
But we made it, bro.
But we married.
Who knew, bro?
Who knew?
Not believing this shit, but we made it.
Now believe in this show. We man.
Bro, not believing this shit, bro.
I'm
but
going to kill your lyrics, bro.
not believing this shit, bro, but we made it.
Okay, now I believe in this show. We made it.
Okay, say, okay, one thing. We can go back to bang, father, we can go hand to hand.
Bro.
No,
Don't
if it-
let me
okay.
to kill your
country. I ain't going anywhere, bro.
Oh, good,
Pleasure,
good.
bro.
Thank you, thank you.